Hello there, this is Julie from Paper Haven. I hope you are all well. I had a delivery of some of the new kits yesterday, and one of the kits that's come back in stock, and I wanted to share the brand new ones with you. The one that I am most excited about is the card keeper kit, and I've half opened it already because I did a little Instagram story, but it makes this wonderful card box to keep your cards in, and it is just £24. It's amazing value. And then the supplies to make 10 cards. It's a non-stamping kit, so it's perfect for young people or for beginners, or just those who maybe want a little easy craft project. So I'm going to open up the box. So the box comes separate to the card kits. So this is the box lid. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is the box lid. And then inside, we have the items. Oh, look. Oh, it's so easy. Oh, my goodness. That is amazing. I'm so impressed with that. So it's already, I had visions of us having to glue this. So it's, I mean, I'm one for not looking at instructions anyway, but you open that up and then that pushes down. And then it's already got tape on. They just glue to the sides, yeah? And then your lid goes on top. Oh my goodness, how easy is that? I just love the foiling on it. Can you see that there? It's a really nice size. And then you have these dividers, so you can have the different occasions. I just think that's brilliant how that opens up. So I'm just going to pop that back closed, and then so I can go show Craig that. That is amazing. That, whoever's designed that, kudos to you, because that is absolutely fan-blooming-tastic. I love that. And then here we have the bits for the cards, plus the instructions. So you've got these are glue dots. Now you can use these, or you can use your own glue. You've got some foam pads. Then we have 10 envelopes, so 5 of each one colour. And then, I say there's only 4 there, but there's another one sneaking there. So you've got your envelopes, nice colours. And then you have your card bases. So these have got a little bit of foiling on as well. They're really cute. Okay, so they've just folded, already pre-printed, really nice. Then we've got these die-cut leaves, so they just pop out. Now this is really good because we do them in multi-languages, being in Europe, and you might not want them all to be English. You might have a French friend or a German friend, or yeah. So we've got happy for you, happy birthday, thinking of you, best wishes, just because. So there's 2 sheets like that, but then you've got Zum Geburtstag. You've got some German phrases as well. And then here we have some Dutch sayings and some French sayings. So there's 2 sheets of those, so you might find those useful. And then some more card bases, 5 of those. And then these little vellum circles, they go behind the words on the floral card. And then you've got these little gold leaves, and these are for these other cards. So you can make 10 cards 5 of each design, but you can mix and match the greetings. And then finally you have these little stickers that you can stick on the card keeper box on the section. So you've got birthday, anniversaries, love and support, miscellaneous, seasonal, special occasion, thank you. So seasonal might be Christmas cards. Oh, that's amazing. I love that. Then you can have a section just for general. Oh, that's miscellaneous, isn't it? So yeah, how many dividers do you get, just out of interest? One, 2, 3. Oh, they're really substantial. 4, 5, 6. So you get 6. So that's really nice. So that is the card keeper kit. And I'm going to have a go with those. I think my niece, Molly, will love that. So I'm going to be getting her one of those for her birthday, which is in November, because I think she'll absolutely love it. So that's the card keeper. And then this one, because it's jingle jangling, this one's been quite popular. This one is the Christmas ornament kit. Okay, I haven't opened this one. So you get 6 pre-tied bows. So for anyone with a bow phobia, these are great for you. You get these pine cone style embellishments and little berries. And then we have these gold rings. You can make 9 different ornaments, and there's 3 sides. Wow, they're quite hefty, those. There's 3, actually there's 6 that look the same. There's 6 large ones and 3 small. You get the gold thread, and then here we have the bits and bobs to help decorate. So these are die cut pieces. Circles. Oh, look at that, full sheet of foam pads, some glue dots. I think a glue gun might be advisable for this. I love that gingham pattern. Some banners, some more circles, some more foliage. Oh, and some more. And some more. And then the backing board. Just going to pop those back in the box. And then you also get the instructions, the most important thing, yeah? So we've got number 1, number 2, number 3. So the 3 different designs, but some of them are on the larger ones. 6 are on the larger ones, and then 3 are on the smaller ones. It does say you need a hot glue gun. So these glue dots are fine for gluing your paper and card bits, but for gluing those, I was going to say, for gluing the pine cones on and the bows, you need a hot glue gun, ideally. So yeah, how about that? Who'd like to come and make their own Christmas decorations with me? Would you like to come and make these with me at a class in November, in time for Christmas? I'd love to do that, and I'll supply the hot glue gun. So do watch my event page for that. And that's it for me today. That's all I wanted to share with you, but I always think it's nice to share the kits like that. Enjoy. See you soon.